How to use if function in Google Sheet. Wish your spreadsheet could decide for you. With the if function, Google Sheet can automatically choose between options based on your rules. It's like teaching your sheets to think on its own. Let's learn how to make it. Firstly, open the Google Sheet and then over here you can see a report is there. So simply tap on is equals to and then write if and then over there put a logical expression. So tap on the one grade you want to choose or calculate, then less than or greater than 50, comma, what do you want to it to appear? Put a true value condition. If true, pass. Then after entering the formula, tap on the tick icon. Like this, you'll be adding a condition to your sheet. Now simply hold and autofill and drag it like this. You can see who is fail, who is pass. It has been clearly mentioned.